everything could he try? And most likely
Trying to see if you can handle the stress. Probably give us that panic attack. Sorry if I gave a random erection. Probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Oh, wait, you a fan of the magic? Poof, pussy like an Alakazam. I heard from a friend of a friend that dick was a 10 out of 10.
bottles in the ice.
So hi guys, my name is Romy C. Quevedo, as in R-O-M-I-E. So you can call me Plong Plong, and I'm from BPED 3C. My favorite color is khaki, and I live in Purok Dos, Patag, Baguntaas, Valencia City. If gikan mo sa MU, musakay mo bus, inani mo ang driver nga dito lang ka sa crossing sa NIA, tapos tabok din ka, tapos maaga din ka gamay, makita din ka nag-tarpaulin nga na nakabutang lot for sale, mo na din na mo o gibaligyan ng among yuta kay uy grabe naman yung pagka-share mo, go. And my talent is dancing and singing, and my hobby is playing online games like Dota 2 and ML. And my goal in life is to buy a big house and a lot of cars, and especially buying a iPhone 15 Pro Max fully paid. Go!